Of my high art palettes. I hope you guys are enjoying these palettes. I know I am, and I'm loving the ones that I've used so far. Some of them I'm finding to be trying to get the creativity behind them, because some of them are just neutral palettes, and although neutral's nice and everybody needs a good neutral palette, they are just, I'm having to incorporate other products with them. I love them. I'm not saying that I don't love them. All I'm saying is that I'm finding that I'm having to incorporate different things. So before I get into the video, I would love you to subscribe and tap the bell, and also give us a thumbs up. Would much appreciate it. I'm going in with I'm going to finish my face off. Everything's on my face. I will link down below. This one is the chocolate strawberry, and I'm going to be using this today for bronzer and blusher, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm just going to dab lightly to start off with, and just, this has got some nice colour to it. Looks quite harsh in there, but it's not here. I think it's because I've had to turn the contrast, because it is 7:30 in the morning that I'm filming this, so I must admit, with the iArt range, it is stunning. These don't go on patchy. I'm not shiny. It's not a shiny bronzer. It's really nice. Now the blusher is shiny. It's got a little shininess to it. So I don't know why people say tap it in and put it on the back of your hand, because I never get anything on the back of my hand. So, and I'm starting at the back. I can't do the cheeks. I have to start at the back and bring it forward. Oh, that's pretty. That is really nice. And it's looking like a highlighter. I think I would use this as a blush topper rather than a standard blush, because that looks stunning. Then I'm going to be taking the Lightning Triple Baked highlighter, which I haven't used before. There we go. Oh, this one is emphasising it in texture. Definitely more glitter, but she says as she drops it, but when you look at it, it doesn't look it. And also with my powder brush, because then it might knock off some of the glitter, but it's not bad. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with the Too Faced Insurance shadow. Today I'm going to be using the Peanut Butter Cup palette. This is what it looks like, guys. So I will insert swatches now. Got caramel, smooth, crunchy. This is Case. Now I've done one swatch, but it's just gone backwards and forwards because it was a little bit dry. Got a shell here, which, although you can't tell, it's this colour here, it's quite skin tone. Pieces. Then we've got cashew just here, which is a little bit powdery. Cocoa. We've got cinders. chunk which was dry for the swatches, as in I had to go backwards and forwards to do the swatch, although I only went once in the pan. Then we've got honey, which again was the same, had to go backwards and forwards once I swatched it. Nutty Delish, which again that was a little bit powdery, so I had to go backwards and forwards. Peanut butter is just here. This is called Cup, and again I had to go backwards and forwards. I'm still getting colour off it. This one's Salty, just here. Hot chocolate, and then foil, which is just here, just to set this base down. And this is like my skin colour, so, and this just helps the colours to blend on your eyes better. I'm going to actually go into Smooth, which is this one just here, so it's got pigment straight away, and I'm just going to run this in my crease. Oh, that's pigmented. I'll draw you in a little bit more. That's really pretty. In the crease, I'm going to be taking the milk chocolate to darken the crease. And I'm only tapping it. I really don't want this to be really dark in the crease. So and then going back in with that Smooth, just to bring some of the orange back in and blend these together. Fairly tapped in lightly. I'm going to go into Cola, which is this one here. It is a shimmer, but I'm just going to put this on the outer part of my eye. I might mix it with Cup, which is a black, just to darken it a little bit. I'm just going to basically just slightly blend into that crease just there. Then taking the cashew one again, and I'm just going to go above this and just blend, just to make sure everything's nice and smooth. And then on a clean brush, I'm just going to go in and just gently blend the edges so they're not so harsh. So I'm going to put a little bit more of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance on, and I want to just put it here. I'm thinking of using this gorgeous copper. It'll just help it adhere to it a little bit better, so I'm not sort of carving out my crease. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm going to lift that one up, but just over the middle of them, blend them two together. This is just going on like a dream. It's stunning, stunning, stunning. And then I'm just going in my crease just to seamlessly blend these together. So I'm going to go in with Salty in the inner part of my eye, inner part of my eye, in the corner, and just to brighten it up. That looks so nice. Do you know when you guys look at a palette and you think to yourself, I can't think what to do? Yeah, I can't think what to do, and is it gonna look nice? I think this looks stunning. I think because the eyes are so bold, I'm just going to go in with a nude, she says, if she can find one. I'm going to just use this Revolution lipstick that I know is a gorgeous nude, and I do like it. It's a bit pinky. I'll try this Colourpop one from Grunge. It's Grunge. That's so much better. That looks really pretty. I'm sorry to keep saying it. The highlighter, not really my cup of tea. Probably won't ever use that one again. The bronze and the blusher. The bronze is nice, the blusher, I don't think I'd wear that again because I don't really do toppers. So it's a nice little palette, but will I use it? Probably not. So this palette, oh my god, this palette is so nice. It really is nice. I can't wait to try the yellows with the orange, just the browns. I wish I could do tutorials like Jeffree Star where he just does amazing looks, but I've never been a makeup artist, never claimed to be. You know, even for this isn't out my comfort zone now, but 3 or 4 years ago I wouldn't have done this. I'd have just packed 3 colours on and been done with it. I really do try my hardest, and hopefully you're enjoying the looks that I'm coming out with. And if you are, then don't forget, hit this thumbs up, hit the thumbs up, tap the bell, and don't forget, I'll be back with more. See you in the next one. Bye.